This is a video to explain how to put the tree hanger on the snowflake tree ornaments. And basically, here's your tree hanger, and you can see it has a hole at the top, a little rectangular hole that you can use to put a ribbon through. You may already have a ribbon, or we may have provided one. And this is your snowflake spinner, which spins like this. You know, two different kinds here. And this is what we call the nib, the little post on the end, and you take your spinner, typically from the back, not where the trim is, put it right onto the post, and then you hang your ornament on your tree by then slipping the like this, slipping the little ribbon over a branch, and then we've got our snowflake on our tree. I'm going to do this one as well. Now this one, I don't see a ribbon, so somebody's going to have to add a ribbon, but you just push it on like this. Now, if it won't go on, then we have made a mistake and sent you a holder where it's too tight. So we can send you another one if you say, please mail us a couple more hangers. We'll do that. Be happy to do that. Also, you could take a file or a pair of pliers and very gently work off some of the plastic if it's too tight. There are some, when they come out, they're too tight, and then we have to soften them. Okay, I hope that answers everybody's questions. Bye-bye.